Hi Group C, how you doing today? How you keep going on your house this weekend? I know that you maybe plan on watching TV or maybe rest a little bit from the homeschooling, but I am glad to be here today with you again with another activity that I think you may like. But tell me first, how are you taking care of yourself? I ask you this before, and I'm going to ask you this every day because I want to make sure that you know how to keep healthy. So I want you to tell me. I can hear you. Yes, one of these is close your mouth when you're coughing, if you need to cough, right? If you use a napkins, yeah, you use it and you throw away. What else? Yeah, if you need to go outside, you cover your mouth, right? With a face mask. And when you come back, if it's in the washable, you throw away. When you come back, what you do? Yeah, you take off everything and you put it in the laundry basket, right? What else? Yeah, you keep as far away as possible when you are walking on the street to people. How many inches? 8 to 10 or 8, 9, 10, right? It's all right. It's far enough, it's okay. So, yeah, washing your hands for how long time? 20 seconds, yeah. You can sing which song? Happy birthday, right? And then when you finish, that means that you are okay. If you don't have a soap, you can use a hand sanitizer, and you need to wait until it's all dry so you know it may effect. So I'm glad to hear that, Group C, and I hope your parents are doing okay too. So now I'm gonna let you know what the experiment we are going to do today, which I think if you like to mix up things and see color changing, so I think you might like this activity experiment. Okay, see you in a while. Okay, Group C, welcome back. And now I have my assistant, you know, right? Now that you're not here with me, so I have my own assistant, and hopefully soon you can be my assistants. So now, the experiment that we are going to do today is called color changing. Do you like color changing, Angelo? What do you understand by the word color changing?
That you put something and it makes the
can I hear you louder?
That you put something in another thing that makes it change color.
Exactly. That means that this is color changing. It's because before it was in a different color, right? So, but we're gonna experiment with color changing, but with acid-base experiment. So, who knows what is acid? Group C. Do you know what is an acid? Can you give me an example? What comes to your mind when you hear the word, oh, that is so acid? Angelo, do you know what acid means? What comes to your mind when you hear the word is too acid?
I know one kind of acid is an acid that like burns almost anything.
Okay, Angelo say that he knows the acid. If it's too acid, it can burn anything. Okay, yeah, that's a point. So, but I'm gonna give you another more definition. Okay, that is, acids are molecules that release hydrogen ions, right? That is H plus is the symbol, right? And that happens when you dissolve it in water. So when you dissolve or release bases, a liquid that is a base, so when you dissolve in water, it's gonna release hydroxide ions, and the symbol is OH. So the pH scale is a way of measuring and precisely specifying how acidic or basic a solution is. And that's what we are going to do today. We're gonna become scientists, and we're gonna determine how a substance is an acid or a base. We're gonna figure it out in a bit. Welcome back, Roxy. I hope you stay tuned, right? And don't leave us alone here. Okay, so now we are going to introduce you the materials that we are going to use. Do you see many bowls? But those are simple materials that you find at home, and I know that you all have it. So this is the first material that we want to use. Is the isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, that I bet everybody has at home. So this is turmeric. Maybe you don't know what turmeric is, but this is a spice that is found in the Indian food. Other name is called curry, and I bet you like, because I love food with curry. It tastes so delicious. So this is turmeric, and using the turmeric with the alcohol is how we're going to do our own indicator to figure it out which of these liquids how acid or if it is a base.
But they're not all liquids. These two are not liquids.
Yeah, but we can pour water, because the water, what do you think is the water? Is an acidic or a base? What do you think is the water? Acid or base? What do you think, Angelo?
I think it's a base.
You think it's a base? How about you, Group C? What do you think is water? Because we drink it without problem, right? And we don't feel burning in our throat, right? But let me tell you that the water, this distilled water, has a pH of 7. And that means it's considered neutral. What do you think is neutral? Acidic, base, and in the middle means? Put your hands in the middle, Angelo. So what do you understand if it's in the middle between the acidic and the base, and if it is in the middle in the scale of pH scale, why do you think it's called neutral? What do you think it means? You don't know, Group C? Okay, so now that means that there are neither acidic nor basic, because they contain an equal concentration of hydrogen, and we say the hydrogen was acids, right? And hydroxide, that is base. So that means that it is equal concentration of hydrogen and hydroxide ions. That's why water is neutral. So we are gonna, Angelo, continue displaying the materials. And can you tell what is this?
You
can present on the camera.
After you're also
just tell the name of that. What is that?
You will need tape.
Yeah, and I will tell you later for what. Tape. What else?
A spoon.
Spoon, teaspoon.
Measuring cups.
Measuring cups.
You'll need laundry detergent.
Laundry detergent.
The powder. Liquid laundry detergent.
Liquid laundry detergent.
Water.
Sorry. Water.
Shampoo.
Shampoo.
Vinegar.
Vinegar.
Wait, fun fact, vinegar is an acid because if you drink vinegar, it'll burn your throat.
Okay, Angela is saying that the vinegar is an acid liquid, and we all agree with that. I know you all agree too. Okay, what is this?
Dishwashing soap.
Dishwashing soap.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. What do you think is a baking soda? When we have...
An acid.
You think it's an acid? What do you think? When we feel upset with the stomach, sometimes we drink Alka-Seltzer, right? It's kind of baking soda. Alka, that means alkaline, because it get neutral. It balance the pH.
And the last thing you'll need is lemonade.
Lemonade. Oh, welcome back, Lucy. Now we have a new integrant, a new member that wanna experiment with us too. The color changing. So now, I told you before that we're gonna make our own indicator, and for that we're gonna use turmeric, which is this, and alcohol. We already did our own indicator that's gonna tell you how acid or if a liquid is a base or acid. And for that we use 1 cup of rubbing alcohol. We put it here. We did it already, and we put 1 teaspoon of turmeric. So when that happens, when we mix this indicator and we put it to the different liquids,
we get light orange.
It's gonna change the color. So if it's a base, what's gonna happen? Which color is gonna get, Angelo?
I think it's gonna get lighter.
Okay, so this solution changes color from yellowish orange to dark red when it contact with base. So if it's a base, it's gonna change color to yellowish orange to dark red if it is a base. So that's what we're gonna experiment now. Okay, for this we can use this paper that we used the other day. Pipette. So we're gonna take a little bit and we're gonna try first which one.
Now it looks yellow inside the paper.
You see? Yeah. So we're gonna put this to the vinegar. You wanna try shampoo. To the shampoo?
I wanna do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go first and then.
Okay, Angelo. Put it to the shampoo, and we're gonna move it. And we're gonna see which color it's turning.
It's turning to a neon yellow.
A neon yellow? Okay, neon yellow. You can see that? Yeah, neon yellow. It's a neon yellow. Yeah, you see. This is why I'm using this clear bowl so you can see.
What do you want to say, Dana?
Okay, now?
It kind of looks like slime.
Yeah, it kind of looks like slime. Yeah, look at this. Dana made a good what? Observation.
Yes.
So actually, we made slime. Look at this. We mix shampoo and the indicator using alcohol and turmeric, and the shampoo that was clear turned out in this neon yellow slime kinda. Well, don't put your hands, maybe, because the turmeric, you can be allergic to the turmeric. Okay, now next one.
It kind of spilled.
Next one, we're gonna try. Okay, Angelo, leave it, please. Leave it. Dana's gonna mix it to the lemonade, Dana. Okay. This is the lemonade. Okay, thank you. That is enough. Oh, let's see. We're gonna mix it. And which color do you see, Dana? Which color? So
I see like a kind of pea color mixed to lemon. Pea and lemon.
So it's like a darker yellow now. It turns from neon yellow to a darker yellow.
Yeah, you see 2 different colors, right? This is okay. You can see through the camera. This because this is clear, you see, so you can see. This is a lemonade and the indicator. So now, Angelo, where you gonna put it?
I'm gonna put it in the vinegar.
In the vinegar.
And now we're gonna mix it.
Okay, I'll mix it. Put it on the. Not too much because you don't want to fill inside your eyes.
It's like almost the same color as that.
It's almost the same color as the lemonade.
Lemonade.
Yeah, it's like a yellow, neon yellow too. So what that means is it red? So we haven't get any red color yet, dark red color yet. So why? What is it telling us? This is no base, right? It's no base. We need to find one to be a base. How about we pour some here in the baking soda?
She's putting dishwasher.
And let's try here, Dana,
I'm gonna
first.
do the baking soda. And
Okay.
she'll do the
Okay,
dish
Dana.
soap.
This is the dish soap.
Here,
You
Dana.
can put it here,
Pour
Dana.
it in the
And watch out with your eyes, okay? You don't wanna any drop got into your eye, okay? You could got any reaction. Okay, it was green.
Now it's like a
Now it's
neon,
getting.
We need
like a neon green.
Yeah, you can put as much as you can. It doesn't say an exact amount. Okay, it is green and it's turning into what color? Which color?
It's like
a lighter green.
Lighter green.
Yeah.
It was, yeah.
that's the color of my friend's eye.
Yeah, look. Okay, it was darker. The green was darker. Now it's more clear. So let's try here. Let's try with which one?
Baking soda.
Baking soda. Maybe we're gonna try to put to the baking soda. Watch out with your eyes. Watch out with your eyes. Ooh!
It's getting like
We need more. Well, look.
See?
Ooh, I see a base here. I see a base here.
Can I see?
It's an okay.
It's
Look,
getting
what-
like a darker
What
reddish.
color? Yeah, what color, Dana, do you
Like-
see?
It's
Which
like orange mixed up with red.
Yeah, it's like a.
Like it's like a red sand.
It's
color.
dark red. Look at this. The baking soda was which color? What color was the baking soda?
White.
White. And what
Yeah.
color it turned out?
Like a darkish reddish orange.
Yeah.
Yeah, look. Hey, so group C, and we're gonna do our last try to see if this is this one, the detergent that is white. This is not liquid. Okay, so we're gonna try now to see which color it turns. Can you see which color is turning? Which color do you see, Angelo?
I see dark red.
Dark red. And what that means?
That it's
Okay, it's enough.
a-
And that is a base,
Yes.
right? So we conclude that the baking soda, the detergent, there are base acid, base liquid, excuse me. So the other one, they turn out like yellow, right? Or
and
clear.
look what happened to the
And,
water.
yeah, that means that the baking soda and the detergent were the most base from all.
Let me-
So I hope you have enjoyed doing this experiment, and I hope you do at home. And let us know which one was base and which one were acid. So when you do the experiment, watch out with your eyes, with your face, and with your hands, okay? And watch out that you are not allergic to any of these ingredients, materials. So, see you next time, and thank you for your time.